It's an absolutely beautiful day here in South Central Michigan, and a lot of the farmers are in full harvest mode for their corn crop. Now, I don't have corn at my place this year, but my neighbor and second favorite farmer just up the road a little bit is harvesting corn today. I called him up and I said, "Hey Joe, would you mind if I came up and did a video of your corn harvest?" He says, "Come on up, let's go." So jump in the truck with me, let's go on up to Joe's and see how his corn harvest is going.
Hand and broken down just to keep his family fed. Coal dust covered his clothes. He wore a back cap on his head. All he gave was never enough. Hell, that was the price he paid. No, they don't call him a Superman, but he's a hero just the same. His lungs were weak and his eyes were dim, but still he wouldn't quit. He pressed on in an old coal mine, 35 long years, loading coal with a number 4 until he was called away. But I can still see him in his eyes till this very day. Let me tell you about the unsung hero. I see him every day, raking his back in an old coal mine, working for a miner's pay. Hey, the backbone of the American people, and you need to understand what keeps this country rolling. He's a coal mine man. Hey, Mr. President, can I have a minute of your time? There's a rumor that's been going around. You want to shut down the coal mine. Let me give you a little advice on that. You need to stop your foolish talk. You know your politicians can't count your riches while you're sitting in the dark. I want to tell you about the unsung heroes. I see them every day, raking their back in an old coal mine, working for a miner's pay. They're the backbone of the American people, and you need to understand what keeps this country rolling. He's a coal mining man. What keeps this country rolling?
day number 1 of corn harvest for Joe and his family. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. I want to thank you for following along. And I want to thank everyone out there like Joe and his family that are working so hard to put food on our table. Until the next time, take care and God bless.